So it's farmhouse style wood backgrounds, and it's my book that I have made, and now it's on Amazon, and you can all get it. Okay. If you're in the US, you can order it. If you're in the UK, you can order it. If you're in Canada, you can order it. See, this is my issue is I have audience all over the world, right? If you're in Australia, you can order it. Wherever you are, Scotland, Wales, like there's lots of times people say to me, I wish I could get your printables, but I live here, or I wish I could, whatever I can't get it because I'm in, somewhere like Australia or whatever it is. And this doesn't have that problem. This is available for you on Amazon. You can go and buy it, and it's all there. Let me show you what's inside. I want to show you. I'm so excited. Okay. I'm really proud of this. I'm really happy that I did it. And it's like one of the first of many, I'm sure, right? This is just the beginning. This was the first idea. And I thought, what would really be useful to you guys? So this is what I made. I made farmhouse style wood backgrounds. Okay. And I'm going to show you. So we have these in the browns. They're kind of just a slight bit, you can feel they're quite smooth. It's a tiny bit glossy. Then we have the more faded whites. This is probably my all-time favorite is the white, like the barn board. See, and this got pink and blue and yellow in it. I actually have a piece of wood that looks just like that out in my porch. I made many years ago. Then we have, of course, the greens. So we have this one and then blue, because we all love those colors, right? They are gorgeous. Yes. And like I say, I made 3 or 4, mostly it's 4. And then the red, of course, I did both sides, but I still gave you 1, 2, 3 of the red, but on both sides. Okay. And it's peeling paint. They're all peeling paint. And then I love this guy. It's blue with some orange on it. It just looks like a piece of barn board that is really peeled up. And then this is like the lighter blue. I think this is probably, I can't choose a favorite color. Okay. So, and it all looks like peeling paint, barn wood, that kind of thing. Now, you all know, so there we go. Okay. You all know that I love you, right? And this is why I made this, right? So if you want to get it, there's a link down below, which will take you to my affiliate link and take you that way. If you're anywhere other than the US, wherever you're watching me from, if you can't get it that way, because I don't have it set up for other countries yet, you can, in your country, type in Amazon, go to amazon.ca.uk.au, whatever, and type in Farmhouse Craftaholics, right? Just like my page name here. And it will, if you scroll down a couple of scrolls, you'll see this, right? It's there and you can order it. And it comes by Amazon Prime. So it can be there. Windy City. Hey, how are you? It comes by Amazon Prime. So it can be there like in however fast your Prime gets there. Mine is 1 or 2 days sometimes, depends, right? So I'm super excited about this. So I wanted to show you this. This is what I'm going to be making a seed packet with the template we use from the print club with one of these just to show you what you can do with some of these things. Okay. So I am super excited about this. I'm going to actually cut this book apart now, right? Because this is what it's meant for. It's not meant to be pretty. It's not meant to just look at. I mean, you could, right? But I want to actually have you use this. So I'm going to be using this and crafting with it so that you can have ideas. And I will maybe eventually make a little website where I'll put the projects that I craft with from the book so that you can go over there and grab a bunch of ideas. So I'm going to I guess I'm just going to leave it like that. I'm going to trim a page out, use my ruler, and you can use a pair of scissors. Put this guy to the side, keep it all together. I'm so excited. I've been holding on to this for over a week, you guys. It's like, I didn't think I had that much patience. Now, remember that template we made from Printer Crafts? Guess what? Let's make another seed envelope out of this, okay? So I'm going to decide where I want it to fold up. These are all 8.5 by 11, right? It's a regular 8.5 by 11 size book. You could hole punch it, but I wouldn't, right? I would just cut it up. And I'm going to take a little bit of tape. Now, I'm not going to be able to see a pencil on this because of the color. So I have somewhere. I have a white pen. It's a Uniglow. It's pen, and it writes in white. I'm going to use that to mark my template. You use whatever works for you. I would put the tape where the straight lines are so you don't put it on a curve that you need to know where to bend, right? So, oh, this is going to be cool. Let's have a look. Yep, I can see it. Awesome. Let's pull that on. Wait, I missed a whole bit there, but you can just lay it back on. That's why we made the template. Okay, there we go. I missed this whole side right here. There we go. Use whatever works, right? Okay. So let's trim that out. Now remember, save these bits for other crafts, right? Like this, and it can be used for all kinds of things. And I will be doing tons of projects with this book because it's not going away. It's going to stay on Amazon, doesn't disappear after a month. So that means every time I do a new project, I'll be able to show this book off again, right? Because I just love it so, so much. And I got a million ideas for other books too. This is just the beginning, you guys. This first one is the one that always takes the most time because you have to learn so many things to get it done. But once that's done, look out. Once you know what you're doing something, like when you try something for the first time, right? The first time is always like slow and you make a bunch of mistakes and you have to figure things out. You don't know why they're not publishing it yet. What's wrong with them? Turns out it's usually something wrong with you as far as what you've done. You fail a whole bunch of times and then it happens. It finally goes through and you have a book on Amazon. Okay, we have our template cut, right? I'm just going to use my original from the Principal Club just to show me where I need to fold, right? So there it is. So basically, I'm going to fold that up there, make it a straight line. Oh, this is going to be so pretty. I'm going to fold this one over. Now this is cute because it's got two sides to the, actually, you know what I'm going to do? Fold this back first. I think that's my best bet. Fold that over first. Yeah, I'd say. So you have to imagine where the fold lines are on this, but we're good. We're imaginative. All right. So I'm just going to fold this up, fold that guy down. Let me show you. Now you can either glue them inside or outside. It depends on what kind of seed packet look you want, right? I'm probably going to glue them outside because I kind of think that really looks like a seed packet. And then, so now we have a really cute little seed packet. So now we have three versions. So these two are from the Printable Club, and this is from the Farmhouse Wood Backgrounds on Amazon. My book, right? Farmhouse Wood Backgrounds. Just type in Farmhouse Craftaholics on Amazon and you'll be able to find this book, right? Go to books actually in Amazon and then type it in. No matter which Amazon you're on, au.ca.com, doesn't matter. They print them in your country and mail it to you from the closest printing place. I'm going to use glue on this guy. Okay, there we go. All right. So I'm a little bit excited. Okay. So I'm going to just use a regular glue stick. You don't need the glue runner, right? Good old glue stick that your kids or whatever have. This is so cute. Do that one. And I'm not going to glue the top, right? Because I want that. Look at that. Oh, inside's a different wood than outside. It's so cute. I really, really love it. So just give me a second here. All right. So farmhouse style wood backgrounds by Farmhouse Craftaholics or Kim Rutherford. But Kim Rutherford's going to be harder to find because there's a bunch of them on there. But there's only one Farmhouse Craftaholics.